If you are in the market for a pickup truck, whether it's a brand new showroom model or a deal of a lifetime on the used market, you need to pause this video and listen closely. What I'm about to show you over the next few minutes could literally save you from losing tens of thousands of dollars and facing financial ruin. I've identified 5 specific pickup trucks that are currently destroying the financial lives of American owners. We aren't just talking about minor leaks or squeaky brakes. We are talking about one model that saw a catastrophic engine failure recall for over 90,000 units just in 2024. While salespeople are pushing these machines off the lot, hundreds of owners are stuck with repair bills exceeding $15,000. Today, we are pulling back the curtain. I'm going to show you exactly which models and years you should avoid like the plague, the precise cost of each repair, and how to spot these time bombs before you sign a contract. Stick with me until the end, because the #1 truck on this list is a household name that will absolutely shock you. The Forgotten Failure, Nissan Titan XD Diesel. Years 2016 to 2019, engine Cummins 5.0-liter V8 diesel. Let's start with a truck many people don't realize is problematic because it sounds so good on paper. The Nissan Titan XD with the Cummins 5.0-liter V8 diesel. You hear the name Cummins and you think reliability, right? Unfortunately, this was a match made in mechanical hell. The Frankenstein problem. Nissan took a diesel engine developed for European regulations and tried to force it into American standards. The result? A Frankenstein emission system that fails more than it works. Technical breakdowns. The EGR system, it clogs constantly, leading to total power loss while driving. The turbocharger, these are known to fail and sometimes explode, sending metal shards through the system before even hitting 80,000 miles. The after-treatment nightmare. The NOx sensors alone cost over $2,000 to replace. If the DEF system fails, your 3-ton truck becomes a very expensive paperweight. The ticking time bomb. Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Years 2005 to 2015. Engine 5.3-liter V8 with AFM. Next is a truck everyone knows and many love, the Chevy Silverado 1500. But be warned, specifically between 2005 and 2015, the 5.3-liter V8 engine became a certificate of incompetence. In 2005, Consumer Reports gave this truck a reliability score of 40 out of 100. For context, a Corolla from that same year scored an 85. The villain, Active Fuel Management, or AFM. GM tried to be innovative by deactivating cylinders to save fuel. However, this caused uneven pressure in the lubrication system. The symptoms. The Hemi tick, a sound like an old sewing machine indicating disintegrating lifters. Oil consumption. You'll be adding quarts of oil every week. Cascading failure. When lifters fail, they release metal debris into the entire engine block. Visual. Graphic. The price of a cheap Silverado. Lifter/camshaft replacement, $3,000 to $7,000. Full engine replacement, $15,000 plus. Host. GM eventually learned from these mistakes and the 2016 Plus models are much improved. But if you see a 2005 to 2015 Silverado listed for a steal, walk away. The engine is likely eating itself from the inside out. The Death Song. Ram 1500 Hemi. Years 2013 to 2020. Engine 5.7-liter Hemi. The Ram 1500 is beautiful, comfortable, and powerful. But the 2013 model received a reliability score of 15 out of 100. That is lower than many cars from the 1980s. The technology gap. Chrysler, now Stellantis, tried to modernize the aging Hemi base with MDS, multiple displacement system, and complex injection. It didn't hold up. What to look for? The Hemi tick. This isn't just a noise, it's the sound of failing lifters. Exhaust manifolds, they crack constantly, making the truck sound like a tractor. The 8-speed stumble. Transmission issues that cause the truck to jerk or hesitate. The financial impact. Fixing the manifolds alone costs $2,000 to $3,000 because of the specialized materials required. A seized engine? You're looking at $20,000. Host. Here is the smoking gun. Ram stopped making the Hemi in 2024. They simply gave up after decades of trying to fix these issues. They've moved to the Hurricane Turbo V6. While we don't know the long-term reliability of the new engine yet, we do know the Hemi years to avoid.
The Cannon Shot Ford F-150 Triton. Years 2004 to 2010. Engine 5.4-liter 3-valve Triton. If you thought the previous trucks were bad, the 5.4-liter Triton engine is in a league of its own. It is so problematic that there is an entire industry of specialized tools, like the Triton spark plug removal kit, built specifically to handle its defects. The engineering disaster. The spark plug threads in the aluminum head were too thin. Under high compression, the spark plugs literally fly out of the engine. Owners report hearing a cannon shot under the hood, followed by smoke. Other fatal flaws? Timing chains. They stretch and snap without warning. Cam phasers. They create a jackhammer noise that signals an imminent $5,000 repair. Frozen plugs. If they don't fly out, they weld themselves to the head and break during maintenance.
The #1 financial killer, Ford F-150, EcoBoost Gen 1. Years, 2011 to 2016. Engine, 3.5-liter EcoBoost, first gen. We've reached #1, the first-generation Ford EcoBoost. This isn't just a bad engine, it was a safety liability that triggered a massive federal investigation. The 2024 catastrophe. In 2024, Ford was forced to recall over 90,000 units because the intake valves, made from an inadequate material called silchrome light, couldn't handle the heat. They fracture and fall into the cylinders, destroying the engine instantly. No warning, no symptoms, just a dead engine at highway speeds. The dirty truth. Because this was an early direct injection engine without port injection, carbon buildup chokes the engine. Intercooler issues. In humid climates, they accumulate condensation, causing the engine to misfire or limp. Turbo failure. You have 2 turbos. If they fail, that's a $5,000 bill. Timing chains. Like the Triton, these stretch and skip, often just weeks after the warranty expires. Ford corrected these issues in the Gen 2 EcoBoost 2017 Plus, which added port injection and better materials. But the 2011 to 2016 models, they were a marketing triumph built on inadequately tested technology.
Look, I'm not here to bash Ford, Chevy, Ram, or Nissan. These manufacturers make some of the best vehicles on the road today. But even the best companies have dark periods where engineering was sacrificed for cost or rushed innovation. The golden rule of truck buying? Never buy a truck based on the brand alone. Research the specific year and the specific engine code. One year can be a million-mile machine. The next can be a $20,000 mistake. Next steps? If you already own one of these, don't panic. Many owners drive them for years by being obsessive about maintenance. Keep an emergency fund ready and watch for the symptoms we discussed today. Would you like me to do a follow-up video on the top 5 most reliable used trucks that will actually last you 300,000 miles? Let me know, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more consumer protection guides.